Well, this was the part of the house that actually set us into buying it because it had a suite from my mother. It was also the area that we really needed to pay the most attention to, and ultimately had the most work done to it from the entire house. We started gutting. We realized what we could do. Mom's closet would go along this wall here. These doors would have to go so we could come in from a main door and make it ADA compliant for her long term. Here it is, fully gutted. And we were able to find some issues, as you will see here. We can see outside in many places. Lots to fix. Little issues here. Little issues there. You can see underneath the house. Right down there. Yes. So that door gets closed. That door's getting closed. This door is going back. And it's going to be a beautiful big bathroom for Mama. Or Mama-san. But first, we're going to have to take down the walls, put up sheetrock, more insulation, take up all the floors, redo the plumbing, redo the drains, close these doors, hope for warmer days. And this is what it looks like. Luckily, we have some warm days. We can open the doors, stud them out. And that's what we're starting with, some vapor barriers just to try to hold in the heat from the outside. Then we found a surprise. We found this beautiful, beautiful porch ceiling for the sheetrock. And it plays off, because this all was originally the porch. This was part of the covered porch. So we're gonna obviously clean it up, fix it up, paint it for your bathroom. We had to figure out the doors and where HVAC was gonna go and returns. And then we were able to really dig in and start to repair this room in itself. That meant removing the floor, leveling it out, strengthening it, putting in new cross members and floor joists, and get one area ready and done and jump to another. Well, we got this part in. It's so clean. Then we would take out the next area, hopefully quickly enough where we could have the toilet back working for us overnight. Then all new floors. Check out Mom's window in her bathroom. Lovely sill. I think we'll replace that part. But what do you think about this? Personally, I love it. Obviously, this has to change. Of course, now we have blue board up everywhere for moisture. We have everything insulated, everything's tight, and we are ready to tile. And of course, first thing we have to do is repair this beautiful ceiling.